1 cup of almond flour, some pinches of saffron, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ghee or butter. And now let's add 1/4 tablespoon of water. So this is the dough and I have a maple syrup here. I'm going to add this dough in a pan, roast a little bit, add the maple syrup, again roast nicely and cool it off. This is the way it looks. I'm going to add mixed nuts a little bit just for crunchiness. Okay, it's nicely melting. I made truffle balls like this. So how many? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, about 13. And I'm going to keep this in the fridge a little bit, maybe for 15 minutes. Simply decorate with whatever material you have. So I have this. And I'm going to add some nuts topping.